You send it to eBay or YouTube, yeah.
Okay, what shall we call it?
Take pictures.
Call it the Snoring Man of UEL.
UEL Snoring Library.
Trying to get the degree, mate.
We see some desperate guy trying to get a degree. Yes, this is true. The whole library is listening to him. And it's unbelievable.